And as you see, we're looking at some turkeys out here, and they are pretty far away, but it still remains clear and you're still able to tell what it is. If you're in the market for a new pair of binoculars, whether just for sightseeing or for hunting, these right here are the Grav Optics binoculars sent to me free of charge for this review. Not only are these binoculars, but they are also a rangefinder, which is going to be very convenient, especially if you're a hunter. So to get started, this does require a CR2 battery. However, that battery is not included, so you do need to make sure you have one on hand in order to use your binocular. That battery is going to be placed right in the center. One thing I can tell you about these binoculars is they do feel very well made. They do also have some vision adjusters, so you can get the clearest vision, and I have already used these, and I can tell you that the clarity that you get from them is very, very good. A lot of times some binoculars are blurry no matter how much you try to adjust it, but these ones right here, for me, they were able to be adjusted perfectly. And as you see, we're looking at some turkeys out here, and they are pretty far away, but it still remains clear and you're still able to tell what it is. For the rangefinder aspect of it, I'm not completely sure how accurate the rangefinder is because I don't have anything else to compare it with. However, one thing I can tell you is that the rangefinder is only in the right eye. So for me, it was a little bit difficult in order to see the range. With these as well, it does come in a nice little carrying bag. It does also come with a strap that you're going to be able to connect to it, so you can carry it around hands-free. Then we do have some covers that's going to protect the binoculars. These ones right here cannot be removed. However, these ones you are going to be able to remove. So taking a look at the top of the binoculars, that's how you're going to control the different modes. So we have a power button, and then we have that mode button, so you can switch between the laser rangefinder or the angle measurement or the scan rangefinder. So overall, these are a really nice pair of binoculars. They're going to be perfect for sightseeing, bird watching, or hunting. So if you're in the market for a new pair of binoculars, these ones right here didn't disappoint me, and I think you're going to be pretty happy with them.